Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a newjeans beat on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Let's load up some kind of soft key preset. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I'm liking how this sounds. If you're wondering, we're using something called modal interchange for these chords. But basically, it lets us borrow notes from parallel scales. Now let's arpeggiate this. Let's change this preset. I'm going to use a Grain X4. Synth bass. Yeah, I like this one. Right, now let's add some kind of chords in the background. Let's open up a serum. Yeah, this is sounding fire. I'm going to add some chord elements to sit in the background. Let's open up an analog lab. Let's open up another analog lab. We want to find something that's going to make this sound like magical. Right, we're going to have to do this ourselves. Let's open up a Grain X4. Yeah, this sounds sick. Right, this is sounding super boring right now, so we're going to add some effects. Let's load up a portal. Some kind of glitchiness. And a thermal. Let's save this first. Newjeans by Newjeans, but they are now called NJZ. So it's NJZ by NJZ. And export. Right, let's chop this thing up. Reverb. Yeah, this sounds hard. We want to add something else kind of unique. Let's open up a Grain X4 and let's use a guitar preset. Yeah, I like this one. Let's add some thermal distortion to this. Right, let's render this and let's drag this in. Yeah, I think that sounds fire. Yeah, this sounds dope. I'm going to export this as an audio clip and then we can start messing around with the pitch. I actually quite like how this sounds pitched up too. Now we're going to automate the cutoff of the stabby sound. Right, we're going to change the bass line up. Let's use the Grain X4 and I think we're going to add some kind of Reese or sub bass. Yeah, I like this one. This one's fire. Let's overlap these notes and then we can increase the glide time inside a Grain X4. Right, drum time. Bro, what? Garage kick. Do you know what? We'll use that. This clap, this kick, garage hat, this hi-hat, and this open hat. Right, let's lay down a garage drum pan. The trick with garage is that we want these notes to sit slightly offbeat, adding a swing to the track. Let's add a little crash. These drums are sounding fire, man. Right, let's throw an ozone on. Oh, I've just realized something. Guys, I deleted that thing that we wanted to use. That is annoying. I chopped this up and I can't remember how I chopped it up. How on earth am I going to get this back? Right, I've got a genius idea. I can now pitch this down and then we can export this. Don't include master effects. We're going to switch these sections up by dropping them a color. We're going to switch these sections up by dropping the guitar melody down an octave. Yeah. I think we're pretty much done here. This is the final beat. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you want access to the plugin Grain X4 that I used in this video, then make sure to check it out in the link in the description, where it's currently 50% off to only $49. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.